Good afternoon, everyone. As we have already discussed Rankin's theory, now in this class we are going to discuss gas theory and Sen-Venance theory. After that, we will discuss the last part, that is problem. When we are doing the problem, we have lost the net connection. So we will discuss the last class problem at the last of this class. Okay. So we will directly go to the class, and we have already mentioned what are the varying factors that include stress, strain, energy, and in which we have discussed principal or normal stress theory. Now we will discuss the shear stress theory and principal strain theory. These two theories are known as gas theory and Sen-Venance theory. These both are the topics we are going to discuss. So, first of all, we will discuss what is maximum shear stress theory. So, for that, it is based on the theory that shear stress is the parameter of failure. As we have already mentioned, maximum stress theory, that is maximum principal stress theory, is applicable for or suitable for brittle material. This maximum shear stress theory is mostly suitable for ductile material. Almost all the steps in the maximum shear stress theory is similar to maximum principal stress theory. And the failure of mechanical component subjected to biaxial or triaxial stress occurs when the maximum shear stress at any point in the component become or equal to maximum shear stress in the standard specimen of the tension test. This is the definition, and according to this, we can write that tau max will be equal to sigma yt by 2. This is the equation. Tau max is equal to sigma yt by 2. Actually, the equation for tau max is not sigma 1 divided by 2. We have tau max equation as sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. This is the basic equation for tau max, and when sigma 2 is 0, that is, here you can see that here sigma 2 is 0, this important parameter, sigma 2 is 0, then you can write tau max equal to sigma 1 by 2. This is the difference. Tau max normal equation is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. If sigma 2 is 0, then you can substitute it as sigma max equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 2 is already 0, so sigma 1 by 2 equal to sigma yt by 2. This is the important equation, or according to maximum shear stress theory, only remember that tau max is equal to sigma yt by 2. Okay, and you have to write all these things. So please write down heading maximum shear stress theory. Heading maximum shear stress theory. Heading maximum shear stress theory. Bracketly guess theory. Guess theory. Guess theory. The failure of mechanical component. The failure of mechanical component. The failure of mechanical component subjected to biaxial or triaxial stresses, subjected to biaxial or triaxial stresses, biaxial or triaxial stresses, biaxial or triaxial stresses occurs when the maximum shear stress 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 at any point in the component at any point in the component at any point in the component becomes equal to becomes equal to becomes equal to maximum shear stress in the maximum shear stress in the standard specimen of maximum shear stress in the standard specimen of tension test when yielding starts when yielding starts when yielding starts. We have tau max equal to we have tau max equal to we have tau max equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. Sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത് sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. Sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. From maximum shear stress theory, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ according to maximum shear stress theory, tau max equal to sigma yt by 2 or is equal to syt by 2. ഈ sigma 1 by 2 എന്നുള്ളത് എഴുതണ്ട. Tau max equal to syt by 2 equal to sigma yt by 2. Tau max equal to sigma yt by 2 is equal to syt by 2. താഴെ നോട്ട് പോലെ എഴുതാം. if ആയിട്ട് എഴുതാം. if sigma 2 is 0, 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 then tau max equal to sigma 1 by 2. Tau max equal to sigma 1 by 2. Tau max equal to sigma 1 by 2. Okay, no need of drawing this figure. This is Morse circle, as we know that only applicable load is sigma 1 and there is no sigma 2 in this figure. So definitely sigma 2 will become 0, and applying this one from the Morse circle, you know that the perpendicular distance will be the tau max. Or from here you can see that this is sigma 1, here that's given sigma 1, and here sigma 2 is 0, so tau max will be sigma 1 divided by 2. That is what they have written here. It's not a common equation. Only when sigma 2 is 0 you can apply this equation. So when there are three stresses, that is sigma 1 is there, sigma 2 is there, and sigma 3 is there, in a way that sigma 1 greater than sigma 2 greater than sigma 3. This is what figure shows. This is a Morse circle. Sigma 1 is the largest value. There is sigma 2 is there and sigma 3 is there. And you have three shear stresses that are there. That is, first one is sigma 1 and sigma 2 cumulatively, you can say sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. And if you consider sigma 1 and sigma 3, you will get another one, that is sigma 1 minus sigma 3 divided by 2. And you can also get sigma 2 and sigma 3, in which the shear stress will be 1 by 2 sigma 2 minus sigma 3. These are the diagrams, and no need of drawing this one. This is for your reference. I will share this as a course material in the linways. No need to draw now. Okay, no need to draw this one because this is comes in the second module of more circles. And I have three equations. This is the important equation. That is tau 1 2 is there, tau 2 3 is there, tau 3 1 is there, and these equations are I have just mentioned from the Moore circle. That is tau 1 2 is equal to sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. Tau 2 3 is sigma 2 minus sigma 3 divided by 2, and tau 3 1 is sigma 3 minus sigma 1 by 2. According to this one only, we are writing the shear stress theory, or basically if we are getting this one as shear stress, you need to check which one is the best, bigger one, sigma 1 minus sigma 2 or sigma 2 minus sigma 3 or sigma 3 or sigma 1. Which one is the better or biggest one? That should be taken into consideration while doing maximum shear stress theory. We will do a problem according to maximum shear stress theory. On that occasion, you can understand how to do the calculation. Just remember these equations. Please write down these tau 1, tau 2, tau 3, 1 equations and this final equation. This is just dividing, avoiding that divided by 2. Here also 2 is there, then this side also there is 2. So get cancelled, or so finally the equation will become sigma 1 minus sigma 2 is equal to sigma yt, sigma 2 minus sigma 3 is equal to sigma yt, sigma 3 minus sigma 1 is equal to sigma yt. And very important thing is, no need of calculating everything. You only need to take maximum of this one. Maximum of these three values, whichever is the bigger one, that should be considered. Okay, please write down these equations at the last. That here this is not read after this statement, that is maximum shear stress theory. Sorry, maximum shear stress theory. You need to write these equations for a three-axis problem. That's important. This is for three-axial problem. Three-axial problem. Have you written this one? Only you need to write the equation for tau 1, tau 1 2, tau 2 3, tau 3 1, and final equations. And this will be the diagram. This will be discussed after completion of all the 5 theories of failure. No need of drawing this figure. Can I go to next slide? Have you written? Hello, no response from you. Can I change the slide? ആകാശം മാറ്റട്ടെ? പറഞ്ഞോ? Okay, thank you. So another theory. Cumulating both this theory, we will do a problem. So the third theory is maximum principal strain theory. It is also known as Sen-Manens theory. It's very simple theory that here we are considering, instead of stress, strain. We know that we have strain equation as epsilon, and we know the epsilon equation as epsilon max equal to sigma 1 divided by Young's modulus minus Poisson's ratio into sigma 2 divided by E. And if you have three values, that is third value, then obviously you need to write the equation as, there will be another term that will be mu into sigma 3 divided by E. This is our equation. That is sigma max equal to sigma 1 divided by E minus mu into sigma 2 divided by E. And if there is sigma 3 presence, then that equation will become minus mu into sigma 3 divided by E. Normally sigma 1 will be the larger value, so automatically this is the only equation for you. If you have doubt, then you can have another equation, that sigma 2 divided by E. No need of writing my equation, I am just informing you. This equation will become like this also. Okay, for sigma max, this is the common equation. If sigma 2 is larger than sigma 1, then you have to take this equation. And if sigma 3 is the larger one, then you have to take here sigma 3 and here sigma 2. These are the equation for strains. And according to principal strain theory, it is saying that sigma max, or sorry, epsilon max should be equal to sigma yield divided by Young's modulus. As we know that strain is equal to stress by Young's modulus. This is the equation. For considering the yielding, this will be the equation. And you have to equate this value with this value to find factor of safety. If factor of safety exists, then automatically there is a term Fs at the bottom. If factor of safety exists, there will be definitely a term Fs in the bottom. Similar way in the previous equation also, this will become sigma y by yt by 2. And if factor of safety exists, then this equation will become 2 Fs. These are the equations. Actually, in all problems, there will be factor of safety, and almost 90% problem they will ask you to find the factor of safety. So write the equation as such: tau max equal to tau yt divided by 2fs, and here sigma max, sorry, epsilon max equal to sigma yt divided by E into fs. E into fs. Or in other words, you can write it as, sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 equal to sigma yt by f of s. Or here, if the third term exists, if the sigma 3 is not given, no need of writing this third term. If third term exists, so common equation can be written as sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 minus mu into sigma 3 will become sigma yt by fs. Or here you can see that left hand side there is E term, and right hand side also there is E term. That Young's modulus on both sides can be neglected if both are present. So this is the equation. The final equation is sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 minus mu into sigma 3 is equal to sigma yt by fs. Okay, have you written this one, the theory? Please respond. Have you written this one? ഇവിടം വരെയല്ലേ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളൂ നമ്മള്? ഇത് ചെയ്തില്ലല്ലോ? നോട്ടിൽ എഴുതിയോ? Okay. Write the heading as maximum principal strain theory. Write the heading maximum principal strain theory. Maximum principal strain theory. Bracket Sen valence theory. Bracket Sen valence theory. Sen valence theory. The theory states that the theory states that the theory states that failure or yielding occurs failure or yielding occurs failure or yielding occurs in a member in a member when in a member when maximum principal strain in a member when maximum principal strain when maximum principal strain when maximum principal strain in a biaxial or triaxial system in a biaxial or triaxial system in a biaxial or triaxial system Melvin, in a biaxial or triaxial system reaches the limiting value of strain reaches the limiting value of strain reaches the limiting value of strain as determined from as determined from as determined from simple tension test simple tension test simple tension test simple tension test. We know that. Please write at the bottom. We know that epsilon max equal to epsilon max equal to epsilon max equal to sigma 1 divided by E sigma 1 divided by E sigma 1 divided by E minus mu into sigma 2 divided by E minus mu into sigma 2 divided by E minus mu into sigma 3 divided by E. Please note down this value also. Minus mu into sigma 3 divided by E. According to maximum, next line, according to maximum principal strain theory, according to maximum principal strain theory, epsilon max equal to epsilon max equal to epsilon max equal to sigma yt divided by E sigma yt divided by E equal to sigma yt divided by E into f of s. Sigma yt by E equal to sigma yt divided by E into fs. Then equating both terms, that is random equating, that is equation 1 equation 2 equating equation 1 and 2 equating equation 1 and 2 you will get equating equation 1 and equation 2 you will get sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 minus mu into sigma 3 equal to sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 minus mu into sigma 3 equal to sigma yt by fs. Sigma yt divided 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 by fs. Okay, this is our third equation, that is maximum principal strain theory. So there is a problem for you. Please write down the problem. In this problem, they have asked you to solve in a three-way. There are three theories, that is maximum principal stress theory, maximum shear stress theory, and maximum strain and strain theory taking Poisson's ratio as 0.3. So this is our problem. So we need to calculate factor of safety in three different methods. So please write down the problem. A machine element is subjected to 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 following stresses sigma x equal to 60 megapascal, sigma x equal to 60 megapascal, sigma y equal to 45 megapascal, sigma y equal to 45 megapascal, and tau xy equal to 30 megapascal. Sigma x equal to 60 megapascal, sigma y equal to 45 megapascal, and tau xy equal to 30 megapascal. Also, find factor of safety. Find factor of safety if it is made of C45 steel. Steel spelling STEEL ആണ്. C45 steel is steel. C45 steel having yield stress as 353 megapascal. Having yield stress as 353 megapascal, comma, using following theories of failure, comma, using following theories of failure, using following theories of failure. First one, maximum principal stress theory. First one, maximum principal stress theory. Second one, maximum shear stress theory. Second one, maximum shear stress theory. Maximum shear stress theory. And third one, maximum strain theory. Maximum strain theory taking Poisson's ratio 0.3. Maximum strain theory taking Poisson's ratio 0.3. So we have a problem for you, and for that they have given sigma x, sigma y, and tau xy, and obviously yield strength, that is sigma yt, that is 353 megapascal, and obviously you need to substitute Poisson's ratio as 0.3. So first of all, you need to write the given data as we have known. Sigma x is 60, sigma y is 45, tau xy is 30, sigma yt, not ys, that is steel, that's why they have taken s, not, it's not correct. Actually you need to write sigma yt equals 353 megapascal, and Poisson's ratio is notation is not correct. Actually in our classroom we are taking notation as mu. So these are the terms they have given to us. So first of all, you need to find principal stresses, that is sigma 1, sigma 2. Also you need to find tau max. If you know the equation, you can find sigma 1 by substituting sigma x, sigma y, and tau xy in this equation. You need to do by your calculator. Please substitute the value of sigma x, sigma y, and tau xy in the given equation and find the value of sigma 1. Please do fastly. They are having very less time. This is the common equation. In the last class, we have divided by 1 by 2 here also there. That is commonly taken outside 1 by 2 into this term. And substituting the values, you will get sigma 1 as. What is the value of sigma 1? ആരൊക്കെ ഒരാൾ സോൾവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പറയൂ. മടി പിടിച്ചിരിക്കല്ല.
83.42.
Yeah, definitely that is the answer. 83.42 megapascal. Is the correct answer. Congrats. And now you need to find sigma 2. If sigma 2 is 0, you can take Tom x as sigma 1 by 2. But here, definitely there will be value for sigma 2. And just change the sign. That is, positive should be changed to negative. What will be the answer?
Minus 83.
No, definitely not. Please do with this calculator.
Okay. Minus 21.58.
Yes, that's correct. 21.58 megapascal will be the sigma 2 value. And now you need to find tau max. And I didn't made any animation for that. As we have got sigma 1 and sigma 2, directly you can find sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2 to find maximum shear stress. So when you are doing that calculation, substitute sigma 1 and sigma 2, you will get 30.92 megapascal. These are the three things which require to solve all the theories of failure problems, that is sigma 1, sigma 2 and tau max. If you know all these values, then you have to substitute in the 5 equations. Now we have studied 3-1. There are 2 more. Whenever you are doing, you need to derive all these 3 values, that is sigma 1, sigma 2 and tau max. So first one is according to maximum principal stress theory or Rankin theory. You need to get the equation as maximum of sigma 1, sigma 2, 3 equal to sigma yt divided by f of s. And when we are taking sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3 is not available in this problem. Here only sigma x and y is there, no sigma z is present. So definitely sigma 3 will be 0. So sigma 1 and sigma 2 when comparing, sigma 1 is 83 and sigma 2 is 21. So definitely sigma 1 will be the highest value, or you can write sigma 1 is equal to sigma yt by fs. Sigma yt by fs. Have to write when I am telling you. Please write down. And now you need to substitute the all values. Sigma 1 is known to you, that is 83.42. And sigma yt is given in the problem. What is that? 353, right? Okay. Then you, when you are substituting this value, you can directly find factor of safety, Fs. That is what they are asking. That is 83.42 is equal to 353 divided by Fs, or Fs will be found out as 4.23. According to maximum principal stress theory or Rankins theory, Fs equal to 4.23. Can I change the slide?
സാർ ഒറ്റ മിനിറ്റ്.
എന്നാ പെട്ടെന്ന്.
Amatico.
Okay, thank you. And now you need to find factor of safety according to maximum shear stress theory or guess theory. For that, you need to take the equation as tau max equal to sigma yt divided by 2 into fs. Okay, this is the common equation. And we know that tau max is 30.92. We have found it as tau max equal to 30.92. And we know the equation as sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2 equal to what is sigma yt? That is 353. And 2 is there, fs is there. When calculating this one, you will directly get factor of safety. What is the value for factor of safety according to maximum shear stress theory?
8.468 bole.
8.0. Have you
Divide.
taken this 2? ഇതന്നെയല്ലേ വരുന്നത് 353 divided by 61.84 അല്ലേ വരിക? Then the value will be 5.7 ആണ് കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. Is that correct? Anyone else? Please check with your mobile, sorry, calculator.
Ah, 5.7.
5.5.
Is it correct? 5.7
തന്നെ.
Okay. Fine. If there any mistake, please correct it. I got the value as such, so I have defined this one. And now you need to find factor of safety according to maximum strain theory or Sen-Venance theory. Okay. We have an equation for Sen-Venance theory as epsilon max equal to sigma yt divided by E into Fs. This is the common equation according to maximum strain theory or Sen-Venance theory. And you need to substitute the value of sigma max, that is sigma 1 divided by E minus mu into sigma 2 divided by E. There is no sigma 3, that's why the third term can be eliminated. So epsilon max equal to sigma 1 by E minus mu into sigma 2 divided by E. Equating this equation with this equation, you will get it as, have you completed this slide?
No, sir.
Okay. You will get sigma
No,
1.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്.
Okay. ആയില്ലേ?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So while equating epsilon max equations on both sides, you will get the equation as such. And you see that E is common in both sides, so can be avoided. Even value of E is not given in the problem, so it's very difficult to substitute the value of E. So we can cancel E on both sides, and our equation will become sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 equal to sigma yt divided by Fs. And we know the value of sigma 1 as 80 something. Sigma 2 is also known to us, and mu value is given in the problem. So sigma yt is 353. When substituting all the values, we will be having only one unknown, that is Fs. Find out that Fs.
4.5 അല്ലേ? 4.5 ആ?
4.59.
ആ,
Correct?
അങ്ങനെ.
Okay, for 8 something ആണ് വരിക. So rounding off, that will become 4.59. So this is the method of solving theories of failure, very simple problems, and almost everyone will get full mark in these problems, because just you need to find sigma 1, sigma 2 and tau max, and after that you need to substitute these values in the common equations. The only difficulty is you need to memorize all these equations. First one is sigma 1 is equal to sigma yield divided by Fs, and second one is tau max equal to sigma yield divided by 2fs, and third equation is sigma 1 minus divided by e, sorry, sigma 1 minus mu into sigma 2 minus mu into sigma 3 is equal to sigma yield divided by fs. These three equations should be in our memory, then only we can solve the equations. Very simple problems. Okay, and we will just check the previous problem. That's very simple one. Last time we have missed this thing actually, and we need to find sigma 1. Last our problem, that is sigma 1 and sigma 2 is known to us, and according to principal stress theory, you need to substitute the equation as which one is the maximum, that is sigma 1 is 260, sigma 2 is 60, so definitely sigma 1 is the maximum value. So sigma 1 is equal to sigma yt by fs, and sigma 1 is 260, and yield also given in the problem. When solving, you will get the factor of safety as 1.8 in the previous problem. I just show you the slide because you need to get benefited, or else you can do yourself, then also you can find the value. It's very simple problem. Please put your attendance. Please absent. All others are present.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Okay,
you.
can I close the slide? എഴുതിയെടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ലേ?
ആ
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.